Okay, YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to clean a MAF sensor on a 2000 Toyota MR2 Spyder. It's located right here, so you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. Just grab that Phillips screwdriver and start to take it out. Okay, now we got this one. If you want, you can remove this bar, it'll make it a lot easier. Take that out, pull it out, and then in here, MAF airflow sensor. You're going to spray it with some MAF airflow sensor cleaner. So look at it right now, it's right here. You can kind of see a tint of kind of a rusty orange color. So after we spray it, I'll show you the difference. And I have this spray, MAF airflow sensor cleaner. Okay, so we got it right here. Okay, now let's look at it. You can actually see the little metal piece in there. So it's a lot more clean. If it's not getting dry for you, just blow on it and that'll get it nice and dry. Just put it back into its spot. Make sure you line up the holes. And then just put your screws back in. And use your screwdriver to tighten them up. Okay, once it's nice and tight, turn on your vehicle. It may take a little more time to start, but once you turn it on and get it started, it should be good to go.